Keep running, little Will. Keep
Harry!
running.
Run!
That's how you get a fumble, Alex. He said, oh, shit.
Valerie!
Right. Here. Keep running. Don't stop. Steve, pass your daddy. Don't let Alex get you. Go. Don't stop. Get him, Alex.
Run past me! Okay, I'll get you.
All right, right there. Good.
Look at Leah. There's Leah.
That's when you intimidate someone else. What? Run by me again. Run by me again.
Leah's getting him.
All right, Alex, let me get up. Now run back this way, little Will. Run back this way. Turn around, Alex, turn around. Get him. Run, little, run. All right.
Leah always has to put her mitt down. Come on, Mama. Come on, Come on, Valerie.
What happened?
Come here, Mom.
You're gonna be out there too?
Valerie.
See how you did?
Come on.
Don't happen to you.
Go, go, go.